The Nebra sky disk. Found on the top of Mittelberg Mountain in Germany, amongst a horde of Bronze Age relics, mostly dating to around 1600 BC. However, there is a possibility of this artifact actually being pre-flood. It is the oldest chart of the heavens in the world, but additionally, it displays an astonishing level of skill, creativity, astronomical knowledge, and indeed, accuracy. For a considerable time, reams of, quote, specialists attempted to discredit the Nebra sky disk as a fake. However, after numerous in-depth examinations of the artifact, it has reluctantly been academically accepted as authentic. It is a bronze disk, about 32 centimeters in diameter, with a diagram of the heavens embossed onto it in gold. It shows representations of the sun, moon, Pleiades, and 3 other crescents, 2 presumed to be horizontal lines, and the other a possible solar barge. It has been variously proposed that the disk was intended as an astronomical tool, and that through comparison of the skies and a visual display of the extremes of the rising and setting positions of the sun, it could be used to determine the time of year. In addition, it is proposed that it was used to calculate the difference between the solar and lunar cycles, in the form of adding a 13th lunar month, something which is required every 2 or 3 years. Could the Nebra sky disk be an extremely ancient relic, rediscovered by a people around 1600 BC? Partially decoded and used by these people, a group of German scholars who studied this archaeological gem released the following assumptive conclusion, quote, "The sensation lies in the fact that the Bronze Age people managed to harmonize the solar and lunar years. We never thought they would have managed that. The functioning of this clock was probably known to a very small group of people." End quote. Also, according to German astronomer Wolfhard Schlosser of the Ruhr University in Bochum, based on the object, the Bronze Age sky gazers somehow already knew what the Babylonians would describe well over 1,000 years later. Whether this was a local discovery or whether the knowledge came from afar is still not clear, Schlosser said. Is the Nebra sky disk an advanced pre-flood relic? With specialists pertaining to such assumptions regarding our history, it is often forgivable to doubt these modern-day attested explanations. Regardless, the sky disk is clearly an amazing object, which, thankfully, still exists within the public